If you're looking for a high-quality VR headset, this is definitely one to consider. If you're looking for an immersive VR experience, the Meta Quest 3 128GB is definitely worth considering. With more than double the graphic processing power of Quest 2, the Meta Quest 3 is the most powerful Quest yet. The 4K Plus Infinite display and rich 3D audio with enhanced sound clarity make for an even more immersive experience. The pros are: the Touch Plus controllers give you fine-tuned precision and realistic sensations, making interactions feel more intuitive. With a library of over 500 immersive apps, you'll have plenty of content to choose from across gaming, fitness, wellness, entertainment, social experiences, and more. The redesigned slimmer profile compared to Quest 2 makes it more comfortable to wear for longer periods of time. The cons are: the battery life is dependent on various factors such as device settings, usage, age of battery, Bluetooth usage, and wireless conditions. The price point may be a bit steep for some users. The tracking can sometimes be a bit finicky, which can be frustrating during gameplay. Overall, the Meta Quest 3 128GB is a great option for those looking for a powerful and immersive VR experience. The Touch Plus controllers and extensive library of apps make for a fun and intuitive experience, while the redesigned profile makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. However, the battery life and price point may be a downside for some users, and the tracking can be a bit finicky at times. By considering these key features, you can choose the best VR headset for your needs and enjoy a truly immersive experience.